Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today's our topic is materials. What are materials? The matter from which a thing is or can be made is called a material. Everything around us is made up of different materials like doors, windows, tables, chair, bulb, glass, bottles, books. These objects are made up of different materials. Different materials have different properties. Some materials are hard and some materials are soft. That's why we divided the all materials into two categories. First is natural material, second is man-made material. What is the difference between natural material and man-made materials? Natural materials are materials that come from plants, animals, and rocks are called natural materials. The example of natural materials are wood, rubber, leather, gold, and etc. The source of natural materials are plants, animals, and the rocks. We get natural materials from plants are wood, rubber, and cotton. We use wood for making different things like chairs, tables, cupboard, pencils, doors, windows, and etc. Rubber is also example of natural material. We use rubber for making different things like balloon, tire, razor, and many other things. Cotton is also a natural material. We use cotton for making clothes like frock, shirt, scarf, t-shirt, and etc. We get natural material from animals are fur, silk, leather. What are fur? Soft hair of animals are called fur. We use fur for making different things like hat, sweater, jacket, and etc. Silk. We get silk from the silkworm, and silk is also example of natural material. We use silk for making clothes. Leather is also a natural material. We use leather for making different things like shoes, bags, jackets, and etc. We get natural material from rocks or metal, soil. There are different types of metal like gold, iron, aluminium, copper, nickel. Different metals have the different uses. For example, we use gold for making jewelries like rings, necklace, bracelet, bangles, and etc. Iron is also example of metal. We use iron for making trains, car, trucks, buses, refrigerator, and many other things. Aluminium is also a metal. It is soft and it is used in huge variety of products including cans, foils, utensils and aeroplane parts. Copper. Copper is also example of metal. It is used in electric wires because it conducts electricity. Nickel. It is used in making wires and coins. Soil is also a natural material. We use it for making vase, clapboard and etc. Man-made material. The materials that we obtain from natural materials through chemical process are called man-made materials. Example: glass, paper, plastic and nylon. We use glass for making different things like doors, windows, jug glass, plates and etc. Paper. Paper is also example of man-made material. We use paper for making different things like books, copies, magazine, diaries and etc. Plastic. Plastic is also example of man-made material. We use plastic for making bottle, box, table, chairs, scale, thermos and etc. Nylon. We use nylon for making ropes, seat belt, sleeping bag, plastic machine parts and etc. The properties of materials. Different materials have different properties such as color, strength, texture, smell, hardness, flexibility and also cost, which determine their application and likely use. For example, wool. Wool is a natural material. It is thick and keeps our body warm. Glass. Glass is a man-made material. It is transparent, waterproof and strong. Wood. Wood is a natural material. It is hard and very strong. Metals. Metals are very strong and hard to break.